Okay guys, in this video I will tell the story about origin of Cianjur. Okay, let's enjoy this video. Okay. Origin of Cianjur. In ancient time, in the area of West Java, there is a very rich man. Across the rice paddy and fields in his village be his own. Villagers it end up just being the peasant paddy fields and fields of the rich man. The rich man was nicknamed Mr. Miser by the entire village. He had a son man, but her only son Mr. Miser also applied stingy. However, his good character. Unbeknownst to his father, he often helped his neighbor in distress. One day, Mr. Miser must hold a Thanksgiving feast. Supposedly population, if the party perform well, then the harvest will be bountiful. Fear that if the next harvest fell, Mr. Miser was forced to throw a party salvation. All the villagers were invited by Mr. Cheapskate. The residents thought would get food nice meal in the salvation. Their estimate was Mr. Miser is simply providing food with simple side dish, and that's not enough to entertain all residents, many of the villagers who do not get food. They finally only be stroking his chest on the attitude of Mr. Miser, really stingy it.
Had there to invite people was not able to provide food, really outrageous. Why the myriad treasure?
God will give a blessing on his property that a lot of it.
This gossip and profanity of the poor coloring that salvation party held by Mr. Cheapskate. By the time the party last salvation, came an old woman alms to Mr. Miser.
Lord, give me alms, but only by a mouthful of rice.
Groaned the old woman. What, alms? Do you think it is not necessary to cook rice toil?
Give me a little of Mr. Abundant treasure here.
No, get out of here, or I'll tell the Mr. Hitman to beat you. It appears the old woman shed tears, so the old lady was not given alms, actually affected violently by Mr. Cheapskate. It is inconceivable, how said old woman. She immediately left the homepage of Mr. Cheapskate. While the son of Mr. Cheapskate said to see what happened. Secretly, he collected our lunch and then cast the old grandmother who had reached the threshold of the village. He gave it to her grandmother's food beggar. Grandma's eyes were shining happy. He thanked, praying.
Really good too, son. Hopefully someday be a noble life.
Grandma was soon the food-giving son, Mr. Cheapskate, until exhausted. I'm sorry, Grandma. I need to get back home.
Good boy. Once again, I said thank you for this kindness,
said the old woman. After the young man had gone, the old woman went on his way. Up on a hill near the village, he paused. From the top of the hill that saw the home-packed Stingy is the biggest and the nice village, while the surrounding residents suffered because of great Mr. Chipscat. Grandma Beggar was angry. See the behavior of Mr. Chipscat, she said.
Remember, Mr. Stingy, great and really stingy will submerge yourself. God will inflict punishment unto you.
That prayer, the old woman, a grandmother who has been washed by Mr. Chipscat. That prayer, the old woman, a grandmother who has been washed by Mr. Chipscat. Old woman then stuck his stick into the ground. Then the revocation again. The push holes of the radiating water is very heavy, increasingly more and the water was flowing towards the village.
Flooding!
Showed some villagers who had seen first flood water from the top of the hill. Other villagers into a panic saw the flood. Son of Mr. Miser immediately urged other residents to leave their home. Quickly leave this village and flee up the hills yourself.
But fields and all livestock.
You select a property or soul. There was no time to bring the treasure you. Human nature was very fond of his possession in a critical state that there are still people who still intend to bring their property and their livestock. Talk the flood water that comes even greater, even their home are already flood knee deep. Mr. Chipscat, wise child, was still screaming. Remain the villagers. He also persuaded his father to leave the house. Father, quickly leave this house. We should immediately save yourself. What? Run away? Foolish. I had to take my treasure chest that I kept in underground. Because there is no time, then the son of Mr. Miser ran to save themselves, while Mr. Miser still collecting their belongings. He was too late to escape, finally drowned in the flood current. Most of the villagers and the son of Mr. Miser survived. They were sad to see their home submerged. Then they decided to look for new areas. They raised the son of Mr. Stingy as their new village leader, son of Mr. Miser, and encouraged people to work the land that had been divided equally. The new village leaders to teach residents how to grow rice and irrigate properly. The village was then called Prompt Village. The villagers always adhered to the recommended lead. Eventually, the village developed into a small town called Cianjur. Ci means water. Cianjur means that areas containing enough water. Suggested village leader used as great liners in processing paddy farmers. So until now, known Cianjur rice tasty and tasteful.
Make more time.
Okay, this is the end of this story. Thank you for watching and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe this video. See you on the next video. Goodbye.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, and then this channel saya Kali, and then I will explain it what is the meaning of a cylinder number in motorcycle or car repair shop. employees usually know, there's a cylinder number for a steering wheel door lock is the same. Steering wheel door lock is the key same or not? But there are certain interests are required to open the cylinder lock. If you want to see what kind of the cylinder lock, let's check it out.
Ini silinder piston sepeda motor Vario. Ini terdapat ring seher di sini. Ini nanti di sini ada ring. Oke. Ini tempat piston. Ini nggak kelihatan. Ini tempat piston untuk memutar silindernya. Nah, kalau untuk silindernya sendiri di blok. Ini bloknya.
Ini namanya apa ini tante?
Ini namanya apa ya? Blok silinder.
This is what you call it as block cylinders.